Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8, video number 32, practical geometry, section B, tough. Let's start. Which of the following given properties of the parallelogram is necessary to construct it? Means to construct a parallelogram, which of the following properties is of utmost importance? Here, you have to construct a parallelogram. So, important part of parallelogram is opposite sides are equal and parallel. If this condition is satisfied, then it is definitely a parallelogram. This condition can be for rectangle also, for square also, but these two are a part of parallelogram. Means bigger father is parallelogram and these two are children, rectangle and square. Square is a part of parallelogram, rectangle is a part of parallelogram. Okay, so that's why this is important. Diagonals bisect each other, yeah, that's also done, but that is true for many of them. Like diagonals bisect each other, rectangle also they bisect, and square also they bisect, rhombus also they bisect, regular or isosceles trapezium also they bisect. So which is a peculiar thing about parallelogram is opposite sides equal and parallel. So A is done. What about B? Opposite angles of a parallelogram. Here in this, at what angle should you tilt it? You don't know. So this tilting angle, that is opposite angle. You should know that. Even if you know one angle and the sides, then also you can draw the parallelogram. So both are required. So answer is both A and B. Next, to construct a quadrilateral ABCD, which of the following parts is necessary? Now you have to construct a quadrilateral ABCD. So what is the basic thing? First, base length of AB. Okay. Then you should know the three angles. Why? To construct a quadrilateral, always remember 5 elements are required. 5. It can be any, but 5 elements related to that are required. So length is 1, second length, and then 3 angles. So all of these is the answer. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.